Hey you guys, today we're going to make some flower arrangements with these beautiful vases that I happened to pick up. And this one says bloom. And I'm just going to go ahead and show you how gorgeous it is. And this is a Rae vase. So we're going to make a beautiful arrangement just to put up. And I'm going to go ahead and use these gorgeous tulips. And these are just pink tulips with a little bit of white on there. So they have both colors basically. I'm going to go ahead and use them. They are so gorgeous. And I thought they would be perfect for these vases. And I also went ahead and I purchased white tulips as well. But these are so pretty. Look at the color on there. It's like a bright pink at the bottom, and then it finishes with a light pink at the top. So this is perfect for an arrangement, for a gift. If you want to go ahead and make something for your house, it's optional. But I also picked up the white ones. I thought it would be perfect to have the white ones as well, just to mix it up a little bit and not do it all pink. I wanted to add a little bit of touch of white in there. So I got them from the same place. I picked them up. No, I didn't pick them up. I ordered them from Amazon, and they're actually were very affordable and they look gorgeous. You could pick them up at anywhere you want or order them from wherever you want, as long as you get the color you need. I wanted the pink because the base is pink, and I wanted the white just to mix it up just a little bit so it wouldn't be all pink. Go ahead and start placing them inside your vase. Go ahead and place one by one. That's how we're going to do it. But look at how beautiful they are. And the length is pretty good as well. You want to make sure when you pick up your faux flowers that they are tall enough. You don't want them short. Make sure you don't order them short. You want them tall in case you have to cut them. Grab your wire cutters and cut away. So you want the length on there, definitely. So let's go ahead and get started, and let's make this beautiful arrangement. I'm going to go ahead and add just a couple of tulips in there just to start, and then I'm going to mix in the white as well and see what we come up with. This is so pretty. I already have it up and it looks gorgeous. It's going to look gorgeous wherever you put it. Go ahead and add a pink, then add another one, and then add some white in there. Just mix it up. Make sure you have one here, one there, and just play with it and move it around until you have it exactly how you need it. So I think I end up putting 5 of the pink and 5 of the white, if I'm not mistaken. But just go ahead and add until you can't add no more. You'll notice, and leave the greens on there. It kind of looks prettier if you leave the greens on there. It's optional. You could pull them off. It's super easy just to pull them off. But I suggest you leave them on there because it's going to give it that real look and that real touch. So just go ahead and add as many as you can. If you can't add anymore, don't. But you always have room for one more. And look at how gorgeous it is. Separate it with your hands to mix it around. Play with it until you have it exactly how you want it. And this is exactly how I was thinking of that it was going to come out. And it came out very cute. You can also use a different kind of rose. You can use a hydrangea. You can do greenery. You can put anything in these adorable vases and it's just going to look really nice. It's going to give it that extra touch. And I thought mine looked perfect. And we're going to go ahead and slide it to the side because you know I have another vase, and I'm going to go ahead and make that one as well. I also picked up the one in the yellow, and the one in the yellow says blessed. So here it is, and I'll be using a different kind of flowers for this one. I'll be using the same tulips, just different kind of color. So for this vase, I end up ordering the white. I decided to split it in half. So I use 5 and 5 in each. And then I end up picking up yellow. I decided why not go with some yellow tulips, and I was happy I did. The color is beautiful. It pops for the summer. It's great for Mother's Day and great into the fall. So go ahead and pick up that yellow if you can. And I picked up the tulips in yellow as well, and they are just plain gorgeous. So let me show you how gorgeous they are. So you get 10 of them. You get 10 in the little bag, and I was happy I did because they are so pretty and let's get started. So now for this one, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. I'm just going to play with it. I'm going to add the yellow tulips and we're going to see what we come up with. But look at how gorgeous they are. This color is so pretty. And the seller did a good job because they look gorgeous. So for this one, I am going to mix the white in there as well. Just because I already did it for the pink, I thought it would be really nice just to add some white in there with the yellow. And I was right, it came out gorgeous. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'm going to link my link down below so you can go ahead and follow me there. I'm going to show extra pictures. I always show step by step or where I'm at, sneak peeks of the latest things, just things to keep you busy, you know. But look at how gorgeous the arrangement's coming out. And I'm just going to keep adding until it's nice and full and I cannot add any more flowers. Then that's when I stop. But so far, it is gorgeous. Go ahead and play with it. Move it around. Adjust it just how you like it. If something's not looking right, take it out. Put a new one. Cut it up. Cut it shorter. Make it taller. Until you have it exactly how you want it. And look at how gorgeous it looks even from the side. These look so adorable. They are starting to become one of my favorite vases just to put flowers in. You could put different kind of flowers in there as well. But they are gorgeous. If you get your hands on them, please let me know. Tag me if you go ahead and make this arrangement for the summer. I would love to see it. Go ahead and tag me on Instagram. My link is down below. And I would love to see what you came up with. And look at how gorgeous they are. So there you go. I am done. You have two beautiful arrangements ready for the summer, ready for spring, ready to go straight into fall. And trust me, you are going to love looking at these in the morning. And until next time, I hope you guys make it. And until next time, bye you guys.